In other local news, since January 1st, 2015, the new dog policy has been enforced. Prior to this law, though, being implemented, several sectors on the island took it upon themselves to make an impact to better the situation of stray dogs on the island. Bucuti and Tata Beach Resorts is one of them. They fully support the dog policy. Bucuti and Tata Beach Resorts is in full support of the new dog policy. They want to remind all pet owners that it is required by law to keep your dog on house grounds in a gated area. If you do not have a gate, purchase a lope line, which allows the animal to roam in the yard but still being leashed and cannot wander off to the streets. Remember to keep plenty of water and food around for your pet. Animal abuse is a punishable offense, so if you decide to take in a pet, you have the responsibility to be a good pet owner. Authorities are on the streets visiting various neighborhoods, and those who aren't complying will be fined. Besides for endorsing the new dog policy, Bucuti and Tata Beach Resorts have done their part to contribute. They offer a pet adoption program to help alleviate the problem of all abandoned dogs. The property pays for expenses to allow the employees to adopt a dog as long as they have a fence or lope lane to keep the dog safe in their yard. Furthermore, the resort also helps with expenses for tourists whenever they want to adopt dogs from Aruba that they wish to take back home with them. More hotels and other companies should follow suit.